right here, right now, on your favorite channel. Hey everybody, how you doing? Dirt Street Stock at Lanier National Speedway. I'll be in the Iowa State University Cyclones, University of Iowa Hawkeyes, UNI Panthers, Drake Bulldogs. Car number 5 today. I'm starting 7th in a field of 10. Race length is 30 laps, which equals 11.25 miles. This is week 13. No cautions, enduro, foot to the floor, and let it fly.
You'll be lining up on the inside. Pit road is closed.
All right, only an 8-car field. I'm starting 7th in the number 5 seed car. Week 13. No cautions. This should be enduro. And a mess, I'm imagining.
You're going to be lining up behind the 2.
Forgot that I hooked up ignition and starter recently here. Remapped a whole bunch of shit.
One to go.
And I love that. I'll talk about that a little bit later.
Green flag.
All right, accident avoidance. Haven't been in the dirt street. There it is.
No one on the bottom. See up in front of you always.
$30 laps is quite a long time. Ooh, number 6 doing the dukes. Slick is building. No racing, so to speak. Two cars up ahead of me and the Bandit are getting closer to each other.
17.024.
Okay, they're side by side. Almost got together there. Oop, there they do get together. back off a little bit here. Me and the bandit just going to watch this go down and try to get by.
Over on the bottom. Watch him in front. He's on the top.
Got through it.
907. Over on the bottom. Watch him in front. He's on the top.
Nice job, bandit. We just waited that one out.
18.757. I have something here.
I don't know if he got hit or not. I did not. God damn it!
Work to the bottom on your clear. Clear. Outside, all good.
Okay, how's the car feel? Okay, feels okay. Chase down the bandit. I thought he was coming down off the wall, that's why I went high. He was trying to stay high, out of the way. Leader's 4 seconds behind us. Ten to go to get the bandit.
16.994. Doing a great job, man. 10 to go.
I think I'm better up high.
17.012.
I'm not going to catch the bandit, Mr. Chris. No. bottom really, really good. And I was going for my tear-off button.
17.383.
All right, the bandit's going to take third. I'm going to probably take fourth if I can keep it off the fucking wall. And we did not get left.
3, 2, 7. Keep it up, baby. I got a white flag.
All right. That was pretty cool how me and Chris, the bandit, just waited for that to unfold. That's the way to do it. We knew it was going to happen, and it did.
They're hitting the wall. Slow and coming backwards. Slow in front of you guys.
Ooh, shit. God damn it.
Check a flag. Damn good work, brother. Good job.
Ooh, little extracurricular going on there. All right, fourth. That was a good little run there for a while. I said there wasn't a race, and then, like I said, me and Chris Williams, 27, just waited out the extracurricular activity that we knew would show up, and it did. Chris, got a copy, Chris? He might not have voice chat. Well, 2x when I plowed through and over that other car and smacked the wall. Hey, plus 14 on the iRating from my lowly 954. Okay, that was actually okay. All right, it's Wednesday, by the way, and I'm just got a quick one in before work. All right, guys and gals, thanks for coming along for the ride, and hope to see you next time.